Today we're checking out the DRL LED taillights with black housings and smoked lenses for the 2019 and newer Sierra 1500s. These taillights are going to be a great option for Sierra owners looking to upgrade their truck's rear end visibility and give it a slick, modern appearance with that blacked out look. All right, right out of the box, the standout feature of these taillights is their integrated LED daytime running lights, or DRL light bars. These DRLs add a sharp, modern aesthetic and improve visibility to other drivers on the road. The LED technology also offers a brighter illumination, quicker response times, and a longer lifespan when you compare them to traditional halogen bulbs. These taillights include full LED lighting for the brake lights, turn signals, and running lights. That's going to mean faster light up times, reduced energy draw, and better clarity from behind, particularly important when you're driving in those low visibility conditions or bad weather, and keeping you safer on the road with all those distracted drivers. The smoked lens provides a darkened, aggressive look that helps you get noticed and stand out from that stock look with a modified, custom appearance. Now with the smoked lenses, they still offer a strong light output thanks to the efficiency of the LED technology. They're built with black housings and smoked lenses to create a stealthy, high-end appearance that helps you stand out and complements both lifted and stock builds. Whether your Sierra has blacked out theme and other features, or you're just looking for a visual edge on the stock look, these lights blend in seamlessly while helping you stand out from stock. Another great feature to highlight is their plug-and-play design. They're built to work with the factory wiring harness and the mounting points, meaning no cutting or wiring is going to be needed for that install. And if you stick with me, we'll show you that install process here in a minute. This is going to make them ideal for owners looking for an easy and quick upgrade that still gives that custom modified look. These taillights are constructed with durable ABS plastics and that tough polycarbonate smoked lens. Polycarbonate is impact and UV resistant, so it's not going to fade, crack, or get hazy over time like those stock lenses tend to do. These have fully sealed construction to protect against water intrusion, dust, and road debris. The internal LED boards are built for long-term performance and consistent light output even years after installation and use in harsh conditions. Now, as far as the pricing goes on these tails, they're coming in right around the mid $400 price range. For full LED functionality, that smoked lens style, and easy installation, they're gonna have a solid value for Sierra owners wanting both performance and aggressive style. Installation on this is a straightforward taillight swap, but it is going to get rated a soft 2 out of 3 wrenches on the difficulty meter, and you can have this job done in 2 hours or less of your time if everything goes smooth. Now, let's see exactly how that install process goes with an install video from one of our American Trucks customers.
For this taillight install, you'll need one tool, 3/8 inch socket, 3/8 inch extension, and a T15 Torx bit. All right, now we've got our truck bed open and we're gonna identify the 2 T15 Torx screws. There's one located here and one located here. Then we'll take our T15 socket and extender and remove those. Now that we've removed our T15 screws, we're going to simply pull the OEM taillight out of its housing. Now that we've removed the OEM taillight from the tailgate, we're going to remove the wiring harness. First clip is up here going into the harness. There's a red pull tab. Pull it to the rear. Remove the harness. There's another red tab in the middle of the taillight. So pull the red tab, then remove the plug. And stick a little bit. There you go. Then there's 2 twist removal devices. So you're going to want to turn it counterclockwise to remove the bottom bulb, and counterclockwise to remove the top bulb. Now you have your OEM taillight removed. Next step is to remove the OEM incandescent bulbs from the wiring harness. So just simply pull the top bulb and then pull the bottom bulb. First step of installing the new aftermarket taillight, we're going to plug the top of the wiring harness back into the truck. So insert that plug and push the red safety tab. Next step is to attach the aftermarket tail light to the truck wiring harness. Starting from the bottom, we'll take the green plug and plug it into the light bulb socket, and then push the wires into the housing. And then secure the light bulb socket by turning it clockwise in the taillight assembly. It can be a bit tight. There we go. Now we'll go to the middle, same as the OEM plug. Plug it right in, secure it with the red safety tab, and then the top. Take the socket, plug it into the light bulb socket, and then push the wires into the housing and turn it clockwise to secure it in the taillight. Next, we'll take these two silver pins and line them up with two holes on the truck to secure the taillight to the truck. Just push it in. Our final step is to replace the T15 screws back into the light. Using a T15 Torx bit and a ratchet. Just go about hand tight, plus a little bit more. And that concludes the driver's side taillight assembly install.
All right, that's gonna wrap up our review and install of the DRL LED taillights with black housings and smoked lenses for the 2019 and newer Sierra 1500s. And for all things Sierra, keep it right here at American Trucks.